Those solid days when we were young, we brought things we never done. We were dreamers, only dreamers. All the past and times moved on, but dreams remain for us. Only dreamers on desert moon, on desert moon, on desert moon, on desert moon. Yan, yun po lang.
Wow, see. The bread, the bread, the bread. What about the peanut butter? Teka na, upo ako na. Tapang mo po yan.
I found the diary of Renita Tree and started reading about you. The words you written took me by surprise. Never even in your eyes. They said she had found the love she waited for. Wouldn't you know she wouldn't show me dancing a private in my life today. She's a pretty and I swear I must know I just keep your total is conflicting here. And though she tried to hide the love that she died, wouldn't you know he wouldn't show you? And as I go through my life, I'll need to hear my wife. All the sweet things I can find. I found a diary underneath the tree. I started reading about me. The words began to speak and tears flow. And the meaning now is clear to see. The love's before was someone else left me. Wouldn't you know? He wouldn't show you that as I go through my life, I will whisper in his wife all the sweet things he can find, all the sweet things he can find. Next.
Sayaw tayo.
Matagal pa yata yung inyong ano na tayo, mag-devotion na sa pastor.
Bago mo mag-breakfast, bago o after?
Eh dapat nga ay after, ang tagal pa natin ng breakfast. Eh pag-devotion na kaya tayo. Oo.
Ay, no.
Usually. Sandra.
Sige, bago mag-devotion, makakanta mo na siya.
Alisin tayo. Okay.
Isa.
Hindi na pa.
Ano ba yung ano niloro ko?
Ako ate, lagay mo nga yung ano. Sa... Ako, 16085 ako mamaya. 16085. Tayo dalawa. Ano ba kayo ni 160?
From the ocean,
8.
shining in the sun, coloring the shore.
Ay, hindi. 16085.
When I see them, my heart tells me that I love you
Saan ka?
more than more. The little
6085.
shells, for every grain of sand
Zero.
upon the beach. I've got a kiss for you, and I've got more left over for its star, the twinkle in the blue, the shells from the ocean,
Antayin natin yan.
shining in the sun, covering the shore. When I see them, my heart tells me I love you more than all the little pearly shells. Pearly shells from the ocean. Ayun na kayo, devotion na lang tayo lahat. Shining in the sun, covering the shore.
Maya, uwi tayo.
When I see them, my heart tells me that I love you more than all the little pearly shells. More than all the little pearly shells. Mga kababayan, punta na po kayo dito sa dining area.
Pababain ko na.
Magandang umaga, good morning mga kapatid. Nasaan na po ba kayo? Gising na po ba kayo? Ready na po tayo dito po sa baba, dito po sa ating lobby. Inaanyayahan ko na kayo para po sa ating devotion. Punta na po tayo dito. Dito na po tayo sa may lobby. Lahat tayo. Siguro pwede po tayo.
Keeps on just and she sits down at home. When her husband comes home, and he's changing water to wine, till she feels the walls lying between the bed. And she comes by her shirt. She say, I swear I love my husband, and I love my kids. I wanted to be like my mother, but if I hadn't done as soon as I did, all there might have been time to be for myself. For myself, there's so many things that she don't even know what she's missing, and that's how she comes back to me.
Ilabas mo na, iba.
Kung sino na lang yung
She's a sweetheart of soft when she's sleeping. It's hard to find. That's the one.
Kaya na po. Wala, pag nanintay tayo sa kanila. Kasi,
Okay.
hello, good morning.
Morning, morning. Ngayon na po tayo dito. Pastor, dito na po tayo para ano.
Dito na lang tayo lahat.
Kuya, good morning. Kilala mo pa ba ako?
Ay, galing.
Hindi ako nalilimutan ni Kuya. Sino ang asawa ko? Sino ang asawa ko?
Opo na natin sa ano. Opo na natin.
Sorry. Sorry po, sorry. Igaganon ba to? Gaganon ba siya? Nakaano ba doon? Paano ba to? Hindi nakaano. Basta sa'yo to? Hindi ko alam ah. Hindi manipulate ka.
Ang sakit!
Pagandahan. Ayos na mga. Ayos na mga. Bakit sa mga. Okay.
Ay, oo,